Hi, my name's Jarrod Shelley from Autofidelity, and today we're going to have a look at this Tesla Model X that we've just retrofitted the DR900 4K BlackVue dash camera. Here we see the front camera. We'll notice the wiring goes into the factory channel running up into the roof lining, so that from inside of the vehicle, especially from the driver's perspective, but even from the passenger, we barely see any cabling or the dash camera, as it's all in with the factory harness. This cable then runs through the roof lining, past the butterfly rear doors, into the back tailgate, once again running in through the original grommet, so there's no extra wiring or anything visible, to our rear camera, which we mount right at the top of the rear windscreen. If you have a nice European car and want a dash camera or any other automotive electrical accessories retrofitted, give us a call.